Noise reduction by MTMD for switch pipe noise. MTMD stands for Magnetic Attachment Tool Mass Damper. Switch piping noise can be significantly reduced by MTMD. The installation time for a 5-meter-long MTMD pole is about 20 seconds. With a total of 6 poles installed, the maximum noise level is reduced by 9 dBA, while the average noise level is reduced by 7 dBA. Before installing the MTMD, acoustic camera was used to determine if the noise source position changes with the vibratory hammer. When the vibratory hammer moves more than 3 meters, the position of the noise source remains about 7 meters away from the ground. This confirms that the vibratory hammer is not the main noise source. The noise radiated by the vibrating pile is the main noise source. A total of 6 poles of MTMD were installed, 3 poles on the left side and 3 poles on the right side of the driven pile, while the driven pile was not installed with MTMD. Noise measurements were conducted at 7 meters and 22 meters from the vibratory hammer. Due to the damping effect of the MTMD, the LEQ noise reduction is 7 dBA and the Lmax noise reduction is 9 dBA. Thank you.